thank you so much for allowing us to be here at the PTAC. And I'm Curtis Mohler. I'm the PTAC Regional Program Manager. I manage the 38 counties. And as you can see from the presentation, just a little bit about the PTAC and who we are. The PTAC is funded by the cooperative agreement through UTSA, or the state side, as well as the federal government, Department of Defense, and 6535. So it's a cooperative agreement, and our whole goal is to help small and large businesses do government contracting. It was so nice. Thank you to Miss Gabriela Cadena and her leadership, and it was nice to see. I got to meet Mary, and of course we are kind of like the SBA's arm in helping carrying out the contracting mission. So we're going to be looking forward to doing a lot of stuff with them. This is our coverage area. We cover 38 counties. That's going to expand to 42 next year. So if you're in this area, we can assist you with government contracting. We don't help pre-starts, but if you're already in business, we can help you with local, state, federal, and county contracting. And of course, we can connect you with the other PTACs that are throughout the state and also throughout the country. So let us know. There's 95 of them. Of course, our mission statement is to provide government contracting service in support of expansion, local, state, federal, and of course, it's helped to get contracts. I mean, it's all about getting contracts, so that's how we're here to help you. And of course, there's our staff, and of course, last year our impact was $71 billion to small, minority-owned, woman-owned, veteran-owned, and small disadvantaged businesses. And I've been here about 10.5 years, so we do quite a bit to support the community and everything. There's our services there. Many of them will mirror the 10 other centers that are UTSA. As you can see, we help you with the contracting and support you through certifications. The process, sometimes that can be real difficult. Help you through a SAM, System Award Management, of course, get the CV certification, as well as capability statements and other government strategies. So if you're looking to advance and expand your business through government contracting, we can assist you. I know Gabriela just wanted me to cover a couple of things. I won't do the whole presentation, but I want to cover a couple of things, things that's important to your business. I think I put them right there. And then common mistakes that people make. So I'll cover that because, of course, we don't have time to go through the whole presentation. But these are some things that's real important to get into contracting, as you can see, making sure that you have your appropriate NICs and PSC codes, and you're going to be familiar with that. And having a capability statement, we can assist you with that, and then leveraging those. Using agencies such as the SBA, the SBDC, the PTAC to help you market those things for your business. And also getting and registered in all the appropriate things that you need to do, and then having pricing. One thing I put down is a self-assessment. Where are you at? I think it was mentioned earlier. Where are you at in your business? One of the toughest things to do is to assess yourself. But SWOT is necessary. Of course, that's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, threats. And then researching your market, making sure you have something viable. Mary had mentioned that we spent most of our time, too, restructuring businesses during COVID and reshifting them. The PTAC did a lot of that. Well, you may have to do something new or to restructure your business to shift to new opportunities. Common mistakes and pitfalls, I wanted to cover that she had mentioned, that choosing the wrong structure. Of course, I think that you even had a class for that last week. That's a big one, making sure you have the right structure, not being the majority owner. Make sure that you have the ability to do decision making and that you are the owner at least 51%. And of course, I won't cover this too much, but knowing the difference between a 1099 and a W-2. A lot of times people will hire W-2s or employees rather than maybe looking for other avenues to hire partners so they don't have to be full-time on there. So, because it weighs a lot on a small business. And then not having a vision, too many products and services. Throwing a whole bunch of things out there, hoping something sticks. You want to do what you do. You want to use your talents and your gifts and what you know, and then leverage those things. So always think about those things as you go through force in the market. And a couple of trends that we see real quick and that are really developing that I want to tell you about is in 2021 was janitorial supplies. Remote hosting, IT, that's kind of what we're doing right now. Cybersecurity, that was mentioned, that's big. That's everybody's responsibility. Of course, telecommunications, armed guard. I just want to kind of give you some insights of everything that's really trending that we see, trucking and long-haul trucking. And of course, you see the top NICS codes, which is the NICS codes. Consider those codes that you use for the government to talk with them and they tell about a service. So you can see everything from protective equipment to IT, to hosting, to janitorial supplies, office supplies, administration, facilities management, engineering, all those things are really important in the market. And of course, having a good capability statement. Every business should have a capability statement. That means a 411 about your business, and then being able to relay that to the government or to the agencies as you speak with them. The PTAC has a template like that we've created. It's much like this, and then being able to introduce yourself. You need to connect to Southside First, because these are the initial grounds where you learn how to engage other agencies, other owners, and get to practice doing your introductions and things like that, and that's real important. A couple upcoming events as we close just my presentation. I know I can't go through everything at a real long length, but tomorrow we're hosting this City of Austin for SMBR training for their certification program, so you want to be part of that. All our trainings are virtual, so it doesn't cost you anything. All you have to do is connect to us on our website, and we have that listed for you, the UTSA-PTAC website. Of course, you can see it at the bottom. We're also going to be hosting the MIC, the Mission Installation Command, and then how to do business with UHS, as well as how to navigate through cybersecurity. So a lot of things that are coming up at the PTAC, and there's our website. You see the address down below. You can either Google PTAC, and it's going to come up right. It's going to calculate right to the top. And I've even met some great networking tonight, some partners. Man, I'm so glad I came. I really mean that. I'm excited. Matter of fact, met the Department of Labor tonight. We wanted to try to do something, so thank you very much. And then there's our PTAC Facebook page. Make sure you're connected to all these agencies. I know you may say PTAC Facebook page, all these other Facebook pages, and of course LinkedIn, but those are important because that's where all the information is going out since we're in a virtual environment. So I want to thank Gabrielle for allowing me to present, and if you want any information about the PTAC, just let me know. Thank you.